Hello, I'm Stephanie Edwards, and I am going to walk you through how to complete your EverFi Alcohol EDU and Sexual Assault Awareness. First thing you need to do to get started is you need to log in. So you'll go to cali.edu, click log in, and then you need to go to your email. And if you scroll down, I believe it's August 26th, you received an email from Cali College that says online course assigned to you by Cali College. So this is your welcome email. You need to click log in, and then you need to complete this profile in order to get started. And then it's going to pop up with two different trainings, alcohol EDU and then sexual assault awareness, that you need to complete, and then upload the certificate to the Dropbox in Blackboard, and I can actually show you that as well. If you go to your class, course contents, alcohol EDU, and then the first one is alcohol EDU, so you would click it, and then click browse my computer to attach the file and submit. You do that for alcohol EDU, and then you do a separate one for sexual assault prevention. Same thing. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me.